Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi, hello
Good
everybody.
afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Looks like you were having a very serious class.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Actually, this is very conceptual.
Yeah, that's fine.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So, hello, good afternoon. How are you all doing?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm
Doing
fine.
great.
We are doing great.
How are
How
you?
about you?
I'm good. Thank
Ma'am,
you.
how are
I'm
you?
so glad that you all are talking. And this is exactly what I'm looking forward to. So, have you all been to the college?
No, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am.
Not
Actually,
yet.
I went to college about 1 month ago.
Okay. And what about others? Have you been to college?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
College we need tutor admission. At that time only I went.
Okay. So let's see if we all can meet one day, right? In the college, we need to ask our
Yes, ma'am.
principals.
Definitely. We are eager to meet
Right.
you.
Yes, so am I. So am I. Okay, so today, like we discussed, you're going to talk about yourself, remember?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Just give me a
Yes,
second.
ma'am.
I have a pen and I need, just give me 1 minute. Let me grab a copy so that I can write down who is talking and who's not, okay?
ম্যাম আপনি কি ম্যাম ভিডিওটা অফ করেছেন?
Sorry? What?
ম্যাম আপনি কি ভিডিওটা অফ করেছেন?
Off আছে তার জন্য স্ক্রিন অফ আছে।
1 minute. I'm trying to figure out something where I can keep writing about something. Okay, here we go. So it's gonna be a simple conversation, right? Like, not like you have to tell us about yourself. Don't start with the fact that I study in this college. We all know that right now you're studying. You can mention the college department that you're studying and why you chose this, and what is your perspective, your dreams, what are your skill sets, what kind of a person you are, about a bit about your family background, like that. Okay, in short, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Here
Okay.
the
Okay.
communication is like, how many of you know each other? You all know each other?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. So I don't know. So you're going to tell me about yourself. So I have to understand about you. Okay. So let's start precisely
Ma'am, I will
from.
start you. Ma'am, I will start.
Sure,
Sorry,
fine.
ma'am. Sorry. Ma'am, network very
That's
bad.
fine. I can hear you. Don't worry about it.
Okay, ma'am, I will start then. Good morning, ma'am. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduction myself. My name is Payakash. I am 18 years old. I am a student. I am from North Chobis Pargana. I have completed my senior secondary education for government school in Bamunpuria SMM High School, and right now I am a diploma for computer science, Baraipur. Beside, I have a karate yellow belt and basic computer knowledge. I have a single child on my parent. My father's name is Ratan Das. He is a driver. My mother's name is Krishna Das. She is a housewife. I wanted to be a engineer from class 6, but I am doing a diploma now. My short-term goal is to get a job in a reputed company, and my long-term goal is to achieve a good position where I can build my career. My hobby is the old coin collected. Thank you, ma'am.
Amazing, Payal. You did a great job. first of all, congratulations because you showed your leadership skills. Because you said, "Ma'am, can I start?" That talks about your courage, how brave you are, and I'm so glad that you spoke it so. Your concept and idea is completely clear. It went so clearly. My short-term goal, my long-term goal. Amazing. You need to work on your English. I'm going to introducing, you said somewhere, but it will be introduced. What was that? What was that line you said?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. একটা কোথাও এক জায়গায়, when you started, you said, I'm introducing, where it will be introduced হবে.
আচ্ছা
Okay.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে ম্যাম, আমি কারেকশন করে নেবো। ইন্ট্রোডিউস
Then when you
মাইসেলফ।
say that, I want to introduce myself. Yeah, I'm introducing myself, Hovena. I'm here to introduce myself. Okay, then you said like I'm a single. What was that? Only what was that single? What was that line you said?
I have a single child on my parents. ম্যাম ভুল
No,
আছে?
I'm single. হ্যাঁ, ওই জায়গাটা ভুল আছে। ওটা বলবে যে I'm the single child of my parents. I am
Okay,
the
okay.
single child of my parents, or I'm the only daughter of I'm the only child of my parent.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Otherwise, you did it well. You wrote it and spoke. লিখেছো তারপরে বলেছো?
Yes, ma'am. আগে লিখেছি, কিন্তু ম্যাম অনেক
Okay.
এতে দেখলাম ম্যাম আমি লেখাতে ম্যাম অনেক জায়গায় না ওই গ্রামারে ভুল ছিল, কিন্তু সেগুলো আমি বুঝতে পেরেছি ভুল আছে, কিন্তু ম্যাম আমি আপনাকে ওটা লিখে পাঠাবো, কারণ গ্রামার গুলো একটু কারেকশন করে দেবেন।
Okay. Yep, I will. Okay, but you did a good job. Okay, next.
Ma'am, can I talk?
Yes. Sohag. What is this? You've been made the
My name is
president.
Swag Das. I am from Rajput Chowhati. I did my graduation in BA from Calcutta University. Currently, I am pursuing mechanical diploma engineering in first year in Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Science and Technology, Dakshin Govindapur. As well as I am a job candidate. I am a PVC door and aluminum window maker. I am belong to a nuclear family. My strengths are I am a motivated, hardworking, and disciplined boy. My short-term goal is to get a permanent job in a reputed company, and my long-time goal is that I am build my career with a respect. That's all about me. Thank you, ma'am,
Okay,
for this
good, Sohag.
opportunity.
Good job. So you all are
Yes,
doing
ma'am.
good. You're working hard. I am belong to. What was that line?
Nuclear family. মানে ছোট পরিবার থেকে এসেছি।
SG. So you will say I come from a nuclear family, or I'm brought up in a nuclear family.
Okay, ma'am.
Belong হবে না এখানে।
Okay, okay.
Okay. I come
Okay.
from a nuclear family, and
Okay, ma'am.
so ওখানে যখন তুমি বলছো নিউক্লিয়ার ফ্যামিলি বলছো, তো নিউক্লিয়ার ফ্যামিলিতে কয়েকটা পজিটিভ থিংস হয়, রাইট? ইউ বিকাম ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্ট, তোমাকে সব ইউ আর নট ডিপেন্ডেন্ট। লাইক ইন জয়েন্ট ফ্যামিলি তুমি দেখাতে পারো যে ইফ আই কাম ফ্রম আ জয়েন্ট ফ্যামিলি ইউ ক্যান বিল্ড রিলেশনশিপ। সেরকমই you say that I come from a nuclear family, তো সঙ্গে সঙ্গে তোমার একটা স্কিল সেটের সঙ্গে অ্যাড করে দাও, like I come from a nuclear family, which is why I am a responsible boy and I'm independent, or
Yes,
I've been brought up independently. আমি বড় হয়েছি ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্টলি, আমি ডিপেন্ড করি না কারোর উপরে, সেটা আমি ওরকম brought up হয়েছি বলে। so add it with your skill set, আরেকটু ভালো হয়ে যাবে।
Okay,
You
ma'am.
getting?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now both of you, Payal and Sohag, for all of you. Okay. That day we did not do the O sound, but company bolbe na. It's more of the MTI. Bangali effect ache, Banglaয় company bole, but here you will say company. So
Okay,
ওটাকে
ma'am.
how will you say
Okay,
it?
ma'am.
Company.
Company.
Company. Company.
Change my language. Company.
Yes, company. Okay, I want to work for a reputed company. মানে CM come মানে ওরকম টাইপের লিখবে a sound, not a sound. It's not company. It's company.
Okay, ma'am. Company.
It's not on. I don't know how do you say that. Onion. It's onion. A sound. অনেক সময় U sound is also like umbrella, urge. But I'll tell you all that in that. But this is company. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Company.
Company. And not company, company. So this A is the short A, against এর মতন, alone এর মতন. So company. Company নয়. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Try that word. Okay. Next.
Ma'am, can I start?
Yes, please, Avinash.
Good afternoon, my fellow friends and madam. Today we have to introduce ourselves in front of our friends, but I don't know that today is the day, but I will try my best to do it. And as it starts, I am Avinash Mishra. I live in Kolkata, Jadavpur, and I have passed my Madhyamik in 2020, and I'm present. I'm studying in Swami Vivekanand Institute of Technology, Baruipur, diploma in mechanical. And I have not clearly things what I have to do in present, but my thought is that I want to join the Indian Armed Services. For this, I am working hard, and I'm pursuing my work, and I'm studying as hard as possible, and I'm doing my best in studies to join the Indian Armed Services. And the things are going on, and I think this is the thing I can say at now.
Good, Avinash. Thank you so much. So did you say at present I am studying in this college? At present, এরকম বলেছো?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that is a good expression. At present I'm studying. Okay. I am not clear things. I think এর জায়গায় you said things. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
I'm not when you say that I am not very clear with but tar age, before that you need to give just a bhumika jetake bole, I don't know what is it called in Bangla, like an introduction of why you have a scattered
Yes, ma'am.
thought.
ভূমিকাই বলে, ভূমিকা বা
Yes.
সূচনা।
Okay, bhumika. So you have to give a kind of a logic behind to say why you have a scattered thought. So like you say that my core vision is to join this armed forces, but again I believe that my studying this would put some benefit to what I want to do in my long-term goal, and that is why I'm pursuing this, and I'm
Okay,
working
ma'am.
very hard. So kind of you're supporting to what you're doing. Otherwise what will happen if you just say I'm not very clear, so people will be like, you do not have a clear roadmap. It's okay not to have a very clear map at times, when you start realizing you just don't want to do and only that part. You have 2-3 choices for yourself, that is fine, but it has to have a complete logic to what you're saying, supportive thought statements.
Okay, ma'am. I will do my best next time. Thank you.
Yeah, you've done good. It's okay. You've done good, and we'll do these things again and again and again, and then one fine day when we do interview skills, you'll see that you are able to confidently, tell about yourself more easily.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
Next.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes. Okay. So let's go with who's going to say first?
And let him speak first, then I am speaking.
Okay, Ibrahim.
Okay. Can I, ma'am?
Yes.
First of all, my English is so bad. ठीक है.
You will not say that. पहले तो दिमाग से you take this out from your mind. Whoever is thinking my English is, who told you this? Okay, Ibam, who told you this, that your English is bad? Somebody came and told you this?
No,
Or
ma'am.
this is
No.
your, it's in your mind. तुम्हारे दिमाग में है ये. It's in your,
Yeah,
in your
ma'am.
mind. So why will you say that?
I am not talk to about English. Anybody is scared. He's
Because you're
speaking.
scared. Because you're scared. That is why. Say it's okay. Write it down and then say. It'll be easier for you.
Okay, ma'am. I am try my best.
Yes. Say.
Thank you for opportunity. My talk to you this English
About
classes. Right. And I am MD Brian Alam. I am pursuing diploma in architect, Ramkishan Mission in Baraipur. Then I am, ma'am,
Yes.
I am previous. मैं बहुत अटक रहा हूँ. Sorry इसके लिए.
कहाँ पे अटकते हो? Say the line. I'll tell you the words. एक word पे अटकते हो.
मैं प्रीवियस कुछ सालों में जॉब करता था. ठीक है. इस लाइन को लेकर
करता था, किया करता था. used to लगता है. किया करता था के लिए used to. I used to work.
I used to work in previous year, and I am interior architecture designer and graphic designer.
Yes, I worked in graphic designing.
I am graphic designing, and मैं उसको छोड़कर मतलब I am
left. You're going good. हाँ, उसको छोड़ के means I left that and I joined.
I am joined diploma in architect, and बस यही बोल रहा हूँ.
Do you know, Ibran, what is the demand of a graphic designer? Everybody is looking for people like that. You're doing architecture. Come and design my house. Okay, if I build a house, I'll call you. Okay, you will do it in free, right? Give me more discount.
मैं ऑलरेडी इंटीरियर डिजाइनर से 1 साल से जॉब कर रहा था. उसको छोड़ के मैंने डिप्लोमा इन आर्किटेक्ट में.
So you see, you have a bright career. All you have to do. तो मैं काम करो. पूरा जो है अपना बारे में, whatever in English, you can send it to me. Write it down. WhatsApp. Take a picture and WhatsApp me. I'll correct it and send you back.
Okay. I'll be try.
Yes.
मैं ओवर बहुत ज्यादा कम करना चाह रहा, लेकिन हो ही नहीं पाता है. किसी से मैं बात ही नहीं कर पाता इंग्लिश में. जहाँ पे बात करना तो हेजिटेशन. मैं समझ जाता हूँ, लेकिन बात करने में बहुत हेजिटेशन होती है.
You know why? Because see, you knew that word used to. It is just lack of practice. It's not, your English is not bad, and please take that out from your mind. English is not bad. You have to understand one thing, all of you. Okay, when you go to a workplace, you need English because you need to communicate. If you like in earlier days, if you imagine if somebody did not have a language, they still used to communicate, right? How? By sign language, drawing, painting. Remember all that, the assets that we still have about our history. So that is why you need to know a language. Okay, first of all. Now, why English? Because everybody talks in English. Everybody understands, because that's been a global language. But if you're in India, probably Hindi will also work. right? Because that's our national language. But most
Okay.
importantly, whether you are able to make other person understand, but you have to learn English because it is making you vulnerable to every place. Means, aap sab jagah, your clients will not only be limited to Kolkata. Otherwise, so Bengali is also okay. You're getting what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So you have to encourage the English portions. अगर मेरे से अलग से you want to sit down with me, for everyone, whoever thinks that we can work on English speaking things, we can do some sessions, especially in the remedial sessions. We can do all those things also. Maybe we can talk to your principal. For Tuhin sir is doing with you. I think there's one more man who is doing with you. So first learn the technical parts a little bit, but I'll give you a quick view of how to talk. Right? So, like I told you, this one, when you talk about আমি করতাম এরকম, so that is used to. ওখানে সব জায়গায় চোখ বন্ধ করে used to. I used to work, I used to dance, I used to play, I used to do this. Then I ছেড়ে দিয়ে, and I joined here. So you have to know the keywords, linking keywords. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Abraham, write it down and send it to me. Okay? You will do it.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I'll do it.
Okay. Next,
Shall I say something, ma'am?
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah.
Navanita.
Yes, ma'am. I am Navanita. I'm Navanita Mukherjee from Shanarpur. Actually, I have done my graduation from Calcutta University. Then I did my interior designing course from Jadavpur University, and then I did a course, an MBA from SMU. I am a job candidate basically. I just perform a designer in this company. I joined this institute in Department of Architecture. So I want to be an architect and I want to open a farm basically. So that's why I have joined this institute. And thank you for that. Basically I have a kid also. So I am the older person in this group. So I have a kid, a baby girl of 5 years. So,
5 years?
Sorry?
You must be full of work.
sorry.
Prachur kaj hobe. 5-year-old is like a big time for a lot of work with the kids.
Yes. But still, I want to do this course basically for my career also, and my kid as well as my kid also. So it will help her also.
Yes.
Thank you. And
You have a very good, first of all, voice and appeal. And of course,
Thank
your
you.
voice shows a lot of your maturity, and like you're well educated. You want to do this course for your career development, adding up to your degrees. You have amazing. But after a certain point, you just abruptly stopped. You can talk so much about yourself. I can tell you your profile, you can make your profile look like heavenly. So you have to speak a little more in the terms of, like, when you say, like, I'm Navanita from this place. I've finished my graduation from Calcutta University.
Right.
I've also done my Jadavpur University, and I stepped into a job which was so linking words gulo ke dhyan rakho. Like you can say that I stepped into a job where I work as an interior decorator, and I have explored my skills and my technicalities. You can talk about a little about technicalities about your job profile. Hence, to take the next step, তারপরে তোমার next link করতে হবে to get forward to my next step or to rise the ladder in my career. I decided to do a degree on architecture, and which is why today I'm doing a course from this college. Okay. I also wish to make my own form where I can use my experiences and my work profile and my ideas and concepts in a place which I want to explore. I look myself to be a great entrepreneur. To demand. So if you tell anywhere that I want to be an entrepreneur, you know, even government, banks, everybody is going to come and support you.
Okay.
Then you can. And personally, I'm a woman who I also have a daughter, and I know to balance my life. It talks about your personality also.
Right. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
A lot of things to say. Okay, so make yourself look like queen.
Okay. Thank you.
হ্যালো অর্পিতা ম্যাম।
Yes.
ম্যাম আমি শুভ স্যার বলছিলাম, একটু আপনাকে একটু ইন্টারাপ্ট করছি ম্যাম, প্লিজ 1 মিনিট। আচ্ছা স্টুডেন্টসরা, তোমরা অনেকে অলরেডি তোমাদের এই মানে রেজিস্ট্রেশনের মানে পার্টের মধ্যে অনেকেই কিন্তু উইদাউট সেলফ অ্যাটেস্টেশন মেল করছো। আমি অলমোস্ট 1 hour 45 মিনিটস তোমাদেরকে স্টেপ বাই স্টেপ আমি গাইড করলাম, তারপরেও আমাকে রমেন এক্ষুনি ফোন করেছিল যে তোমরা অনেকে মেল করেছো মার্কশিটের জেরক্স কপি জাস্ট পিকচার তুলে বা অ্যাডমিট কার্ডের উইদাউট এনি সেলফ অ্যাটেস্টেশন। প্রপার ওয়েতে আমি যেগুলো বলেছিলাম যারা পাঠাচ্ছ এখন এই মোমেন্টে ম্যামের ক্লাস করো, ক্লাসকে অফ করে কোনো কিছু পাঠিও না। আই এম রিপিটিং ওয়ান্স এগেন, ক্লাস করো, ক্লাস লাঞ্চ ব্রেক অর আফটার দ্য ক্লাস আওয়ার্স, তারপর তোমরা রেজিস্ট্রেশন প্রসেসের ডকুমেন্টেশন গুলো সাবমিট করো, বাট উইথ এ প্রপার ওয়ে। যেভাবে আমি তোমাদেরকে বলেছি সেভাবে করো, উইদাউট এনি সিগনেচার অর উইদাউট দ্য সেলফ অ্যাটেস্টেশন। কোনো জেরক্স কপি কিন্তু কাউন্সিল অ্যাকসেপ্ট করবে না। সো এই মোমেন্টে এগুলো বন্ধ রেখে ম্যাম ক্লাস করাচ্ছেন, ম্যামের ক্লাসের দিকে কনসেন্ট্রেট করো, ক্লাস আগে ওভার হোক, তারপর ঠান্ডা মাথাতে বসে সবগুলো পাঠাও। সরি ম্যাম,
স্যার একটা কোশ্চেন আছে।
এখন আর কথা নয়, এখন ম্যামের ক্লাসের
স্যার আমি কালকে পাঠাই তো চলবে? স্যার কালকে পাঠাবো চলবে?
এখন এই নিয়ে আর কথা নয়, ম্যামের ক্লাসটা করো তারপরে। ম্যাম সরি টু ইন্টারাপ্ট ইউ, প্লিজ কন্টিনিউ।
No, it's okay. I understand. It's important. Okay. So don't get worked up. Everything.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Nilanjan. Shomadip also wanted to speak. Okay, Nilanjan,
Yes,
you say that.
Okay, ma'am. Let him speak, then I'll speak. Yeah.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. First of all, I would like to thank you, ma'am, for giving me opportunity to introduce myself. I am Nilanjan Raut. I'm 20 years old. I grew up in a small town that is Pathaprotima in South 24 PGS, but my actual residence is Jadavpur, Kolkata. For my father's occupation, I have to stay here. My short-term goal is to do BTech degree after diploma in our own college, but my long-term goal is always to be a software developer at FANG companies, that is Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, Google, and Microsoft. I'm working hard to reach out towards my goal, and I will be always. Thank you, ma'am.
Good, very good, Nilanjan. Very, very organized. Rightly said. I come from a small place in 24 Parganas, but right now I like all of that. That's very good. So later on in your interviews, you all have to add up one personality trait. Okay, so like maybe with the small, like I used to stay in Kanpur, which was again a small town, and we had to move to Delhi. So it's a big town. So there was always in Delhi, there was a little of small town, big town. I think it's I don't know if it's still there or not in India, but if it is, then probably you can add one thing which I used to always say, that
Yes, ma'am,
since
please, please.
I was brought up in, I was in a small town, I always had the aspiration to look beyond my reach, or beyond something which is and beyond normal. So, you know, there is always an curiosity and urge. So that can be ambitious, can show that you're ambitious, basically.
Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you.
But we'll see how and which interview we are going to talk. And so, you know, একটা হয় যেটা, like when you interview তে যখন আমরা এগুলো prepare করব, interview skills, so interview টাকে আমাদেরকে যে আছে, you know, you have to hit the mind of the person, the interviewer, right? So suppose তোমার কোনো weakness আছে, তুমি সেটা দেখাতে চাও না ও বলতে চাও না, so your answer will guide you a lot about that. It's like তুমি যখন বলছো যে আমার skill set হচ্ছে এটা এটা, তো আমি I want to do something on this particular skill set, so তুমি next question টাকে obvious করে দিচ্ছ, right? So they'll ask you from that portion. Are you getting what I'm saying?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm getting.
So it is like you're diverting, you're trying to make the interview, though they are very smart at times, but I'm just giving you small tips. Sometimes it works. So so you know, when you're trying to show that we're ambitious, so you will be prepared for the next answer as well. Okay, you think how ambitious are you to do certain things? That can be your next question, and you know how to answer it.
Okay.
Like that I'm saying. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Understood. Got it. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for advising me.
Even Nabanita, both of you used actually. Actually, I want to. So don't start actually.
Ma'am. Actually, because I said actually because actually I was not framed that word. So I actually at that time I got nervous.
Yeah, I know these. We have these filler words. So
that's why I have said actually.
Basically, actually, you know, but I understand that. That's fine.
Yes,
but
yes,
you cannot start saying actually. Okay, Nabanita, you also said that when you started. Yeah. Okay. So now, Shomadeep.
Thank you, ma'am, for making me know.
Hello, ma'am.
Shomadeep.
Yeah, good afternoon, ma'am, and good afternoon, my friends. Thank you for giving the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Shomadeep Das, and I am from actually Kolkata. I am from Kolkata, Batanagar, like the town that is in the South Chobis Pargana. It is located in South Chobis Pargana. I completed my class 10 degree from our school over here, that is Carmel School, located in Sarangabad, and then I took admission in class 11 also, but due to some unfortunate event, like due to some operation thing, like I could not continue my school. I was completely at a bed rest for 1 year. And beforehand, I did not say this. I am a type 1 diabetic patient, and I have to take insulin from class 7 only. For that reason only, I underwent the operation and this type of things. So I was like completely bed rest for 1 year. So I could not complete my class 12. So finally, I got the opportunity to study in this college. That is, I'm currently pursuing a diploma from Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology. My short-term goal is to complete this diploma degree with a good grade, and then I would like to do my BTech, and after that I'd like to go for MBA, for pursuing an MBA degree. I always wanted to be an entrepreneur, and I always wanted to open a company of mine, but for that the shortcomings or the things that I need, I don't have that right now. So I am planning to do my MBA, and then I'm planning to join a company and as a software developer, and my primary goal is to become a software developer along with a businessman also. also. So I'm planning to join a company, and then after that, after earning some capital money for my own company, I would like to go for set up my own company. So that's all. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Shomadip, you are such a fighter. I didn't know that. So,
Yes, ma'am. From class 7 only, I'm having type 1 diabetes, and I'm taking insulin 3 times a day, every day, and this is my lifestyle, and I need to struggle every day. And moreover, my father is also a cardiomyopathy patient. That is, his heart ejection fraction has gone to 20%. Like generally, it is around 60% for normal people. So I have to do everything in my house, from market going to each and everything. And before college, like before the college starts at 10 a.m., I need to go to the market and do everything, and then I need to attend the college and all this type of things. So it has become a daily routine. I don't complain about it, but sometimes I feel low. I cannot eat properly. I cannot have cold drinks. I cannot have sweets. This type of things. Yeah. Sometimes I feel low, but yeah, that's okay. That's fine with me.
yes, I know. Well, I'm a diabetic too, but
Ma'am,
not
can I
type
say?
1. Yes,
Ma'am, are you a type 2 diabetic or type 1, ma'am?
I'm type 2 diabetic, so
Oh, that's okay.
I understand
That's fine.
what you go through. But yes, I'm so glad. I mean, you have brought up yourself in a way that normally it is not seen, and then doing everything shows so much of responsibility. I know how. I'm sure you will get what you want in life.
Yes,
Not that
ma'am.
you're.
Ma'am, I have only one complaint in my life, ma'am. To be honest, I got very depressed over it. Ma'am, I was a good student. Actually, from class 10, I got 90% mark, and class 11, I was doing good also. But after that, one carbuncle formed in my leg, left leg, okay. And I was operated in ILS ILS hospital Dum Dum. So there, like by mistake, my nerve endings got cut, okay. And I was in a bed rest for 1 year. And after that, after recovering, my luck was so bad. After recovering, I faced an accident. I fell down from the bus, and my the small finger, right hand small finger, just broke, just it fell apart. And again, I got operated, and I was at a bed rest for 6 months. So, like, I could not write, I could not eat properly with my right hand. Then after that, like, I was doing so well. So I got depressed that I could not complete my class 12, and now I have to, like, I am not saying that this study is bad or something like that, but I really wanted to complete my class 12, but I could not complete that. So
Shomadip, I can tell you one thing, লাইফে না মেহনত করা কখনো যেটা যেটা তোমার আছে, like your talent, your courage, your bravery, it's nobody can take away from you, no matter what. I know that so many challenges that you've come across, এরপরে তোমার জীবনে দেখবে কিচ্ছু হবে না, nothing is going to happen. You will find it so smooth in life. And I'm sure you're going to build up your own company. And please
thank you, ma'am.
consult me if I can get something in your company. At the time I'll be old, that's like so old, but a little old, but I'll still be giving trainings probably. So you will do really well, don't worry. And we all
Thank
are
you.
here, right? All of us, we are all here, right? And Shomadip, if
Yes,
you
ma'am.
need
Yes, ma'am.
anything help from
Yes,
us,
ma'am.
like from me, for your interview, for your, you want to aspire something that you need, in my understanding, my experiences, I'm always there to help you. Okay.
Thank you so much,
Anytime.
ma'am. Thank you so
Hello,
much.
ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
sorry to interrupting. I actually wanting to say one thing about Shomadip, that actually I know him closely. That he knows what the real struggle is, and we take inspiration from him. We should make
Yes.
our idol him. Actually,
Absolutely.
yes,
Most importantly, Shomadip, that you came out from that fact that, at that age, I understand, like in my 10th, 12th, if I am, bedridden and I don't know when I'm going to be up, you had so much of courage. You're so brave. It is definitely
yes,
a
ma'am. Yes,
big
ma'am.
thing for
Thank you, ma'am.
everyone.
Ma'am, actually, when I was in that bed rest thing, I started learning programming languages. Okay, but in our school, actually, there is Java. Okay, like from class 8, Java is being taught in our ICSE schools. So I started learning that language too hard, and I just built up my own GitHub repository. I have this programming knowledge. I built 3 games, like 2 games and 2 apps also. In the Play Store, it was already there, but due to this GDPR thing from the Europe, this General Data Privacy Protection Law, I could not update the privacy policy in time, and Google just kicked me out of the app, the Play Store. So
Oh,
I had
your
that.
own company. We'll all use all the applications. And my, I have one in my house. He's like big, big into gadgets and stuff, and which I hardly sometimes
Yeah,
understand. I'm handicapped with that. So we
I
will
am also a
all.
tech savvy person, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay, and Nilanjan, I'm so glad that you know him and you're there for him all the time.
Yes,
Yes,
and
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Nilanjan,
Always,
I think
always.
Nilanjan has given me more respect than I deserve. Actually,
No, no,
more
no,
love
no,
and
ma'am. Actually, no, ma'am. This is actually totally incorrect.
No, no, okay, but that's
I
true.
said it.
Like,
What is true?
thank you,
yeah.
Nilanjan. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you to everyone
Not to mention.
supporting.
Not to mention. It's
Yeah.
my pleasure.
Write about yourself a little more broadly, because you can highlight so many things for your interview, especially when you say, "Tell me about
Yes,
yourself."
ma'am.
Things.
Actually,
Okay.
I got my name got enlisted in the school magazine also as a developer and young prodigy in computer programming.
Wow. Oh, very good. I'm so glad.
Thank
So
you, ma'am.
proud.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to sit down with you to write your "Tell me about yourself" thing for your interviews. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Start
Thank you so much.
after getting here. When you want to give an interview, in fact, you can write the basics also, and then I'll sit down and write it professionally for you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay,
I'll do
ma'am.
that.
Okay.
Okay, next.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I say?
Shomadip just said. Who's going to say? Who's going to
I'm
talk?
Devoshi.
Ma'am, that is ma'am. My name is Shomadip Das, and Shomadip Hota is, I think, trying to speak.
Okay, I'll write that. Okay, yes.
Yes, ma'am. At first, who want to say?
Shomadip Das.
No, ma'am, my name is Shomadip Das. I have already spoken, and I think Shomadip Hota is trying to speak now.
Oh, okay.
Shomadip Hota. Yeah, my name is Shomadip Das, and I have already spoken. Yeah.
Mr. Das and Mr. Hota. Okay.
Two name is confusion.
Yeah, so we call them
Actually,
Mr. Das and Mr. Hota, right?
ma'am,
That's
can I say?
Yes.
Good afternoon, ma'am, and my friends. I would like to thank you to give me opportunity to introduce myself. I'm Shomadip Hota. I'm from Sundarban, South 24 PGS. I have done my Madhyamik and HS from Pathar Pratima Anandalal Adarsha Vidyalaya. Now I joined in Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Science and Technology to be a mechanical engineer. So I am studying in diploma mechanical engineering. My short time goal is to be a mechanical engineer, and then I want to study in BTech also. But when I passed my HS, then I wanted to be a professional photographer and a YouTuber because I love to edit videos and making vlogs and playing games. But there was so many incidents in my life, so I can't I can't
I could not.
I couldn't I feel so nervous.
It's okay. I could not take that opportunity, or I could not do.
Yes, I couldn't do my I couldn't do these all what I want to do. But now my short time goal is to be a mechanical engineer in diploma. Then I want to study in BTech. But my long time goal is to join a company as a automobile engineer, like Ferrari and Lamborghini or Tesla, like this. Thank you, ma'am.
Good, Shomadev. Yes, looking forward to that. Okay, so yes, struggling with English, but that will be fine. This is just a lack of talking. You know the words, you know the
Yes,
language.
ma'am. Actually, I don't speak in English because I scared all time. I scared to speak in
You're
English.
scared, you don't speak. Once you speak, like একটা 5 feet জায়গা থেকে যদি তুমি প্রথমবার যখন জাম্প করবে তো you'll be scared, right? আবার যেটা রোজ
Yes,
করতে
ma'am.
শুরু করবে you'll not be scared, right? It's the same thing. So if you start talking, there is no better way to talk, and that is what I'm saying. একটা সময় এরকম হয়, when you have all the words in your mind, it's like what do I say, একটা memory gland এর মধ্যে এখানে থাকে words গুলো all it's all there because ছোটবেলা থেকে পড়ছো শুনছো দেখছো. It is not possible that you cannot basic words. I'm not talking about more artistic words, or you have to be very articulate, মানে খুব ভালো কথা বলতে জানতে words use করতে হবে. I'm talking about simple words, ওগুলো আমাদের মাথায় থাকে, but because আমরা ওই ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজটা বলি না every day, don't talk about it, so you're not able to say it. Look at my Bangla has become so good. মানে you just imagine.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, your Bangla becomes so good.
Yeah, so my Bangla will be so good after a few, because if I speak every day and night in Bangla, এখন তো I hear everyone, right, in Bangla. তো এখন আমার এখন কথা বলতে বলতে যে আমি জানি, I know them, but it's just that আমার particular জায়গায় গিয়ে I use a Hindi word or I use an English word, and then automatically it comes in. But এরকম নয় যে আমি বাংলা জানি না, আমি বাংলাও জানি. So it's the same thing with you. So I'm not scared, because for some reason কেউ তোমাদের মাথায় কোথাও তোমাদের এটা মনে হয় যে ইংলিশ না বলছি তো আমি খুব আমার my personality is not that great. It's not like that. It's just a language.
Actually, ma'am, I want to be a professional YouTuber, but but when I joined in this college, after that my father passed away in 5th November 2020. So then I depressed a lot, but then I thought that I want a job. Then I thought I want a job at I want a job at first.
Yes.
So now I am studying in mechanical engineering, but
and you get to, so that you can get a job, and then probably you can pursue your YouTuber,
yes,
right? Yeah, I know a lot of people, the younger generation nowadays, they talk a lot about being a YouTuber. I've heard that you can make a lot of money and you can explore your creativity. I really want to see that.
Yes, ma'am.
But I'm not very sure. I'm not very into convincing factor.
Actually, ma'am, I checked your Facebook profile, and I see you are a very good classical dancer.
Yeah, but then I am very bad with promoting my, I don't know, like the YouTube thing, how to make thumbnails and all. So I get to hear that from a lot of people, and then a lot of people tell me, okay, Alokit, I'm going to help you out. So I work with many organizations globally, okay, for promoting art and culture. So I was just about to tell you guys this, that let's do something. Let's do something constructive. Okay, so let's make this first year group, let's make a coordinator, your class coordinator. Who wants to be the class coordinator? we will need 2 people, not 1. 1 would be like too less the time. We'll have 2 coordinators. 2 coordinators, you're going to conduct the whole class and make departments like music, instruments, vocal, that comes in music, dance, art and craft, comedian, stand-up comedy, then what else, recitation. Compartments baniye, ask who are into what, and make a cultural thing for yourself. Can you do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we can do that.
Let's YouTube also making YouTube videos, photography. Somebody said one is very good into photography.
I have a YouTube channel also, the Crazy Comedian, name it.
Okay, we'll all check all of that. So it talks about your interpersonal skills also, you know that? So tomader je extracurricular activities, want to promote that, you want, I want to figure out that তুমি যদি ওরকম করতে পারো তো তোমার তো আরেকটা স্কিল আছে তোমার কাছে যেটা এক্সপ্লোর করা যেতে পারে. So let's first do that, segregate it and make a copy. Who's going to be the class coordinator? We need 2 people who will be doing other activities.
Ma'am, there's a little issue over here. Ma'am, please, you need to inform others in the group about this, because otherwise there are some students like our fellow mates who will not listen to this. I think you remember like what has happened the first day when you created that English communications group.
And I also have the names for that person. So interpersonal skill is developing the fact that who are with you and who are not with you, or who are talking which doesn't make sense. So what I'm doing is I'm excluding those people. So when we meet, of course we will meet, right? Let me talk to your principal. Let's set up a 1-day seminar, 1 class in the college if we can. Let me ask if that's possible.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah, that will be very nice.
Yeah, so then probably you all can also tell your principal sir. I will also request him. So, and I'm sure he also wants it, but it's just that the situation today. So, but then probably we'll take all the precautions, whatever is needed. We'll sit far and everything. Let's see. Let me talk to your principal sir if that is possible, and probably then we'll have a kind of good discussion. Today it was pretty nice. I want to talk more, and we're going to do that pretty often now. Okay, in the next class we'll do the
sure, ma'am. Sure.
And in between, please figure out that who's going to be the class coordinator, and rest of you have to actually abide by the instructions. Not like the instructions, it's not instructions exactly, but it's like following a particular rule, right? When you stay in a society, like I said, when you stay in you have to abide by
maintain
some kind. Nobody's going to come and tell you anything, but it is your own personality that you're carrying. So whoever was talking there in that way, bhai, like, those are all foolishness, I would say, because if you do not know that, there is something called personal and there is something called professional, then you need to learn that. You're not school kids, so you need to know that.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, they think that their way of speaking, their style of speaking is smarter than others. So,
cool. Yes, but then they will get stuck when they go to the workplace. Life is a lesson, in every step they will learn it.
Yes, ma'am.
We will not need to tell them, nijer rastay nijerai ora bujhbe, and one day see to make it, to do, to impress or to make his own image, they will do it, and that day they will regret that I did not do the same thing when I was in my college. And I have to tell you this phase of your life is the best phase, your school life and your college life, because you don't live after, you don't live so fully after you start working, because life is really difficult
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
running.
ma'am. Agreed, ma'am.
So, you all, I really want to bring you up in your third year when you all are there. I want to look at you all as smart. You all are so intelligent. You all are qualified. You all know so many things, I want you to walk smartly with that right personality. And I'll feel, what I'll get, it's not like just the money, but it's kind of a satisfaction that I want for my own job, that I want to
Yes,
see you
ma'am.
all, doing great.
And we will try
Okay?
not to disappoint you. We will try not
Yes.
to disappoint
Yes,
you.
ma'am. Yes.
Yes. So I'm going to see you all again in the next class.
Hello, ma'am.
Have a
Hello,
very,
ma'am.
very nice. Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Tripti. Yes.
Ma'am, I am introducing myself. My
You want
name is
to? Okay.
Tripti Mondal.
Tripti, first of
Ma'am,
all, Tripti, I want to congratulate you for the amazing recitation you did. I
thank you,
just
ma'am.
loved it. Very, very good. Okay.
Okay.
Come on, Tripti.
I am introducing myself. My name is Tripti Mondal from Diamond Harbour. I have passed Madhyamik examination in 2016 and HS 2018. I have taken admission in civil engineering from SRIST College. We are four in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. I have one sibling. My hobbies are gardening and recitationing, and sometimes I like to cook. That's all for now.
Okay, so you said so many good things. Recitationing is not the word. I love to recite poetry. এরকম বলবে, not ing হবে না. Okay, then
Okay.
gardening এর সঙ্গে, it's যেটা skill set টা হয় যে you have the flair for down to earth, মানে তোমার natural ইয়েতে believe করো, so you believe in naturality and you believe that you learn a lot from the nature, এরকম বলতে পারো. And then cooking is a big thing, in US. Basically, I can tell, because US, so if you say cooking, it shows your artistic skills, it shows your how well adaptive skills, and a lot of your effort. It shows cooking is a very good thing to use for your personality, if you are cooking, if you have an interest in cooking. So
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I love cooking, ma'am. মানে অ্যাকচুয়ালি ম্যাম আমি একটু ফুডি তো যখন মানে যা পাই একটা রেসিপি বানানোর চেষ্টা করি, আমি বাড়িতে প্রায়ই রান্না করতে বসি।
do that. So I love
Actually, ma'am, she cooked very well. When I went to college, I tasted her recipes. She cooked very well.
Oh, that's so unfair, Tripti. I mean, I haven't tasted. You should, first of all, so she'll give us some lessons on recipe. We'll do one day, and home we'll all be with our kitchen, and you're going to teach us one recipe, okay, Tripti? Okay. But your recitation skills, your voice modulation is so good. You need to use. See, when you're talking to me now, you're not using it. দেখে মনে হচ্ছে না সেই এই মেটাই সেই মেটা শুনে, sorry, দেখে তো নয়, শুনে. So you have to use that, Tripti. You getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
নিজের সম্বন্ধে বলতে
রিকোয়েস্ট ছিল ম্যাম আপনার কাছে ম্যাম, আমি ম্যাম আপনার পারফরমেন্স দেখতে চাই ম্যাম। ম্যাম একটা পারফরমেন্স আপনি যদি দেখান, মানে কোনো একটা।
I'm not a very good dancer, okay? I'm not a very
ম্যাম
good
আপনি
dancer.
খুব ভালো ডান্স করেন, আমি দেখেছি ম্যাম আপনার প্রত্যেকটা ডান্স আমি দেখেছি।
আমি যেটা করি হচ্ছে, আমি নাচ করি, of course, and I dance for a cause. মানে আমি ডান্সটাকে বাইরে বিদেশে, মোস্টলি নর্থ আমেরিকাতে, কানাডা, নর্থ আমেরিকা, and a little bit in UK. ওখানে সব জায়গায় আমি নাচটাকে প্রমোট করছি, ইন্ডিয়ান ডান্স কে, and শুধু ইন্ডিয়ান
Great job, ma'am. You are doing great job.
Mix করে. So I'm doing a lot of contemporary fusions, classical fusions. যে যারা বাইরে আছে তারা তো Bollywood dance ছাড়া খুব একটা কিছু বোঝে না. All the white Americans, they understand Bollywood, they know Bollywood, balle balle and bhangra, they know a lot of things, but there is a lot of Bharatanatyam, Kathak, everything is there, but not like in a way that you can also enjoy and do it. So that is what I'm promoting, and I'm promoting dance in middle-aged women, like যাদের বিয়ে হয়ে গেছে, but for some reason women তো অনেক সময় নাচ করে উঠতে পারে না for different reasons. It can be body মানে হয় না, মানে body drain out হয়ে যায়, মানে tired হয়ে যায় সারাদিন কাজ করে, or after kids, and it can be many reasons, right? You all know. তো ওটাকে আমি promote করছি. I'll send you my write-ups. Okay, I'll send it in the group. আমি যে আর্টিকেলস গুলো লিখি, যেগুলো বেরোয় সেগুলো আমি তোমাদেরকে পাঠাবো. I'll send you one.
You do blogging?
Sorry?
You do blogging. You writing?
No, I'm not.
You write articles.
But I write for different magazines and newspapers for dance. ওরকম.
Ma'am, I have a question out of topic.
Yes, sure.
Ma'am, actually, when my father passed away, I was very depressed. So I have a question that depression is a real thing or fact, or is a imaginary?
No, it is. It is a real thing. It is a real thing. Absolutely. But a lot of it is because it's all in the mind. So if you have the right people around you, it's better. Basically, the medicines for depression is nothing, right? It settles you down, your nervous system. The anxiety control kyam kare hoy. It's like the central nervous system kind of, they give you medicine to recover, not to get the flow of the blood. There is a book that I'm reading that talks about I'll tell you in details. I think we're running short of time today. The book is about, I'll quickly bolchi, there's something called SPECT test, SPECT. So it's like some single photon, I don't know the full term, it's a scientific term. So it is basically the kind of CT scanner moton, it's more deeper, which sees the blood movement and the pattern of the blood movement in your brains, which actually identifies the fact that you are in which state of mind. That's how the psychologists have said. So according to that, it affects you. Guys, don't be depressed in life. There is always a positive side in life. You'll see a glass half filled and half empty. Glassটা সেটা তোমার উপরে ডিপেন্ড করছে, তুমি half filled জায়গাটা দেখবে না half unfilled empty জায়গাটা দেখবে, যে আমাকে আধা গ্লাস জল দিয়েছে না আমাকে জল দিয়েছে. So there is always very important to look at life in a much brighter side গুলো দেখবে সব সময়, brighter sides. এরকম হয়নি forget it, কিন্তু কি হতে পারে আগে, look at that. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. We'll try to.
Okay, see you all. I'm running short of time. I know I took a little bit of more time from you, but next
it
class,
was a very interesting class.
Yes, ma'am. It was a very informative class.
We want many more.
Yes, ma'am. We want many more.
Yes, because তোমরা কথা বলছো তো তাই জন্য আরো বেশি ইন্টারেস্টিং হচ্ছে, আমি করছি না ইন্টারেস্ট. Okay, so আরো সবার কথা শুনবো next day.
We learned a lot of.
Yes. Okay, so
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
ম্যাম আপনি গ্রুপে আছেন তো? মানে আপনার নাম্বারটা গ্রুপে, আপনার নাম্বারটা পাঠিয়ে দেবো যা আপনি বলেছে লিখে.
Correct. Yes. Brand, do that. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so
everybody.
much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank
Welcome, ma'am.
you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.